how to apply feedback to your assignment. So, your assignment's graded and you have peer feedback. Now what? Remember, the goal of peer review is to help you improve your work as a maker and viewer. Try not to see the feedback you receive as either being positive or negative, or an affirmation that you're doing something absolutely right or wrong. Through peer review, you're inviting other perspectives on your work to see and comment on things that you might not see. By engaging in peer review, you're practicing the skill you'll need in your creative and professional life. It's important to understand how an audience will react to your work. Peer feedback should never feel like a personal attack. If you're discouraged by some feedback, then step back and consider why a peer would react that way to your work. Are you seeing patterns or common themes in the feedback you receive? Is there something you need to address in the work? If you receive peer feedback that isn't constructive to your work, that's okay. It's not ideal, but don't let it discourage you. Remember, the goal of feedback is to help you improve. If you need additional feedback, you can resubmit. At the end of the day, remember, both positive and negative feedback can be useful. Positive feedback can let you know what is working, what to keep as is or alter only slightly in your assignment. Negative feedback might let you know what needs to be changed, developed, or reconsidered. As the designer, you might disagree with the feedback, but it's always worth examining someone else's point of view. An outside perspective can be very useful, especially because designers often get too close to their own work and sometimes can't see when parts of it aren't working or communicating properly. If you receive a low grade, consider why your peers gave you that grade. Have they justified their grading in the comments? Consider their perspectives and try incorporating their suggestions into the assignment. And resubmit.